Learn action verbs. Part 3. Bird sings. Bird sings. Lion roars. Lion roars. Snake slithers. Snake slithers. River flows. River flows. Leaf falls. Leaf falls. Butterfly flutters. Butterfly flutters. Wind howls. Wind howls. Clock ticks. Clock ticks. Eagle soars. Eagle soars. Frog jumps. Frog jumps. Mountain stands. Mountain stands. Ice melts. Ice melts. Thunder rumbles. Thunder rumbles. Volcano erupts. Volcano erupts. Snow falls. Snow falls. Ocean waves. Ocean waves. Candle burns. Candle burns. Wolf howls. Wolf howls. Train moves. Train moves. Tree bends. Tree bends. Flower blooms. Flower blooms. Shadow shifts. Shadow shifts. Kite flies. Kite flies. Boat floats. Boat floats. Cloud drifts. Cloud drifts. Firework bursts. Firework bursts. Spider spins. Spider spins. Deer grazes. Deer grazes. Rock rolls. Rock rolls. Water splashes. Water splashes. Rain pours. Rain pours. Sun rises. Sun rises. Moon sets. Moon sets. Tiger hunts. Tiger hunts. Horse gallops. Horse gallops. Bee buzzes. Bee buzzes. Dog digs. Dog digs. Fish dives. Fish dives. Leaf drifts. Leaf drifts. Stream trickles. Stream trickles. Ant crawls. Ant crawls. Star glimmers. Star glimmers. Fox runs. Fox runs. Tree shakes. Tree shakes. River roars. River roars. Camel walks. Camel walks. Wave crashes. Wave crashes. Lizard climbs. Lizard climbs. Grass sways. Grass sways. Shadow stretches. Shadow stretches. Clock chimes. Clock chimes. Cloud darkens. Cloud darkens. Bird pecks. Bird pecks. Fire blazes. Fire blazes. Wind whispers. Wind whispers. Ship docks. Ship docks. Dolphin leaps. Dolphin leaps.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.